Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix charging on hold. Charging will resume when iPhone returns to normal temperature. So without wasting our time, let's get started. So guys, this option turns on automatically when your iPhone overheats. There are two ways to solve this problem. One is to put the iPhone in a cool place for a while so that the heat of your iPhone is reduced. And the other is to go to the settings and turn off optimized battery charging. To turn it off, you have to open the settings menu on your iOS device. Swipe down to see the battery option and tap on it. Next, you have to tap on battery health. Then you have to turn off optimized battery charging. Now turn off until tomorrow. So guys, even after turning off this option, if your iPhone is showing this problem, keep your iPhone in a cool place like an AC room for some time. Once the iPhone cools down, then the battery charging will resume automatically. That's it. Like and share this video with your friends. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video.